kiharoini gia Kasarani guku Nairobi, maabitha mbiraru cia thi nyumu riera-ini na mai-ini ni mambiririe Mehariria makwamukira komanda mweru uria riu gukorwo ari Dagitari William Ruto.
We are a little behind because this should have been ongoing even as the Supreme Court case was going on, but there was a bit of a delay. But today we began. The entire transition team did meet today at office of the president.
Hindi ya kunyabara Mehariria maya ameba kamiti ya ucenjania wa mahinya ni mekinyitie guku. Gladys Sholei uria ni mumemba wa kamiti ino akiiranira gutigirira mihango yothe ni yahikwo uria kwagiriire.
There is the part that is the legal requirement part, then there is the parts that are ceremonial. There is the military parade that is done so usually the incumbent president will arrive and inspect the guard of honor, his last guard of honor.
Kamiti ni wegayanitio ikundi ithatu, kimwe gikuruhanio na kuhariria president muthuure, kiria kingi gikihang'ania na Mehariria mathingira wa iregi. Guku nakuo gigatatu gikuruhanio na Mehariria magikaro gia kwihitithio.
There is a team from the public service that is going to brief the president-elect right about now. There is a team that is heading to State House to also look at the preparations for the luncheon. Already there is confirmations of almost 45 heads of state. Yes, and I think that list will be given formally by our team.
Na niguo gukinyaniria muthi wa keri, rwonge rwa mbiraru na rwonge rwa ucirithania ni tanyitwo gutigirira president muthuure ni amenyithio iguru rigie kwihitithio gwake na maundu maria mothe makendekana wikinyeria muthi wa Jumamothi.
We should have the rehearsal on Saturday where the military will undertake their parade and we shall actually do a simulation of the actual inauguration here. We may not be able to bring the president-elect over here for the rehearsal, but a select number of people will go to his residence and do a simulation.
Amebaya no makararitie gukuruhanio na uhuthiri wa kigina gikiruku hari Mehariria maya riu makiuga ni magutigirira kigina kiria gikahuthika ni giathe uria kungihoteka.
In as much as we want it to be beautiful and great, we also want to make sure that we are quite, there's some austerity measures in the manner that we do it.
Kamiti ya ucenjania wa mahinya rungu rwa munene wa aruti wira muingi Joseph Kinyua ni tarĩria ati gutire ikinya rikurugwo hari Mehariria maya riu akiuga ni marikitie kunyitithania amemba kamiti ino na amemba angi aria marendekithirio ni president muthuure.
The peaceful and orderly transition in administrations is hallmark of our democracy and an essential testament of a nation's status as a beacon of stability, democracy and the rule of law.
Ningi Kinyua ni ugite ucenjania wa mahinya ni ugakinyanirio kirumirira mendekithia magatiba hatari kuingirirwo ni atongoria angi orothe na njira o yothe. Kwitukira kamiti ino iria atongorio ni munene wa wira wa muingi Joseph Kinyua hatiri undu tanganya president muthuure Dagitari William Ruto akehitithio keri ga kiumia giukite akenya makiurio kiumirie na njira nene kiharoini gia Kasarani nigetha gukorwo mambura-ini maya. Haduini ya Kameme TV kuma Harambee House guku kaunti ya Nairobi. Rito rako ni Mbiraru wa Mwangi.